it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Guess what? I'm really excited because do you remember a video that I posted? It was actually about a year ago for gluten-free peanut butter cookies. Well, today I felt like making peanut butter cookies. So I was going to make the gluten-free peanut butter cookies, which is just peanut butter, sugar, and 1 egg. It's 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 1 egg. And that's the entire cookie. I decided I was going to make the peanut butter cookies with a twist. So I added about 3/4 cup of quick cooking oats, and I had a few pecans left, so I threw them in too as a bonus. And this is what I came up with. Now, I want you to look at this cookie. It is an oatmeal peanut butter cookie. It's gluten-free. It's substantial. It's delicious. And that's really all it takes. 350 degrees on the middle rack for about 12 minutes. And then after you take them out, you just let them sit on your cookie sheet for a couple more minutes to let them set up a little bit, because these are tender and chewy when they cool off. They're absolutely wonderful. Look at this. Watch. I'm going to show you. Look. Oh. Isn't that something? These are... My mouth is watering. These are delicious. I'm going to put a link to the video, the gluten-free peanut butter cookie video, and all you have to do is follow the instructions and just add 3/4 cup of quick cooking oats, not old-fashioned. Make sure they're quick, and add whatever else you want. I threw in a few pecans, but hey, how about some mini chocolate chips or white chocolate chips or something like that, or peanut butter chips? Okay, there it is. That's all there is to it. Easy, easy, simple, simple. All right, love ya. And I'll see you again next time, but I just couldn't wait to show you this, okay? All right, love ya. And you just remember that little is much when God is in it, okay? All righty. I'll talk to you later. Bye. I forgot to mention one thing. You have to add an extra egg to make up for the extra bulk of the quick cooking oats, okay? So don't forget, that's 2 eggs instead of 1, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 3/4 cup of quick oats, okay? Sorry, oh, I'm so excited, I skipped the part. Okay, love ya, bye. Oh wait, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And make sure you follow the link below to that video. And be sure and visit the Simple Food, Simple Life Facebook page. It's a fun place with some good stuff. Okay, bye.